Hi, this is Darshini and Spirit with predictions for Canada. I've kept it separate and we're going to go over quite a bit here, not a huge amount, but anyway. First I'd like to just go over the snow. I covered quite a bit with the snow in for Canada in the American video for snow and blizzards. If you wouldn't mind just looking at that, I'd really appreciate it, and then you'll see the timings at least. So this year is going to be, or upcoming year is going to be quite bad. You're going to get far more of the Icelandic downdrafts and everything else coming in from here. It's as if there's a vortex like this coming in where this is the worst weather, and it literally is like ice blasts and everything else coming down this way. So the worst snow you're going to have, or you're going to have snow anyway, but the effect is going to be higher in concentration, and you're going to even have 15 to sometimes 25 feet drifts in there, and that would be here in this one, not so much Ontario, but here in this. With this area here in particular, I covered Graupel, and Graupel is a mixture of hail and wet snow. So it's rather large. It's not obviously as dense as a hail ball is, but they're literally ice balls. And they are heavier in the way of, because the snow is wet. So I'm seeing graupels coming in round about the edge here and here. So it's really across in the coast here and down here, because this is going to get a lot of graupels too. I don't believe I'm seeing any kind of freezing completely of this bay, Hudson Bay, but I do see quite a bit of extensive freezing of the water, and it's not a lake, the inlet here. So the graupels are here, but they're coming in because of the snow. This is a particular nasty storm that's going to last about 7 to 8 days coming in from here. And that will be around February, so watch it mid-February. Again, look at the American videos and note down the times, because those are the ones coming in that are bringing in the bad weather, the dates coming in from there. You're going to see an extraordinary, and graupels are going to be slightly here, but it's really a majority here and here that the graupels are being seen, which are the ice balls. Okay, so that's the snow for Canada, and I'll move on to the next subject.